Hello everyone. Today in our maths tutorial, we will do the topic descending order of two-digit numbers. So before we start, we should know what is the meaning of descending order. So descending order means to arrange the numbers in decreasing order, that is from largest to the smallest number. Now, how to arrange numbers in descending order? So, to arrange numbers in descending order, there are few rules. Rule number 1 is that whenever you are writing the numbers in descending order, you have to count the number of digits in each number, and the number with the maximum number of digits will be the greatest one, and you will write it first, and after it you will compare the other numbers. Let's take an example. Like here I am having different digits 5, 8, 12, 2 and 4. So 5 is one digit number, 8 is one digit number, 12 is two digit number, then 2 is one digit number, 4 is also one digit number. So the greatest number is 12 because there are two digits in it. So we will write 12 first, then after 12 we compare other numbers, and then we will write that. So after 12 8 will come, then 5, then 4 and last 2 will come. Now rule number 2. So according to rule number 2, when we are having the same number of digits, then we start comparing the numbers from the leftmost digit, and from the leftmost digit, whichever number is the greatest, that will come first, because we are writing the numbers in descending order. Let's do an example. Here I am having 4 digits 23, 56, 32 and 11. So according to rule number 2, we'll start comparing from the leftmost digit. So here at leftmost digit 2 is there, in 56 5 is there, in 32 3 is there, and in 11 1 is there. So the greatest number is 5, so we'll write 56 first, and after 56 32, then 23 and then 11. Now what we will do when we are having the same numbers in the leftmost digit? So if the leftmost digits are same, then we'll move to the right side, and then the number with the greatest digit we'll write that first, and then we'll continue doing this till the time we'll not arrange all the numbers. So here I have taken an example of 45, 41, 49 and 43. As you can see here, at the leftmost place 4 is there. So in every number 4 is there. So we'll move to the right side and we'll compare that. So we'll compare 5, 1, 9 and 3. As 9 is the greatest, so we will write 49 first. Then after 49, 45, then 43 and then 41. So let's do few examples. Here in first example, I am having 10, 4, 9 and 2. So according to rule number 1, the number with the greatest number of digits we write first. So in this question first, 10 is having 2 digits, so we write 10 first, after 10, 9, then 4 and then 2 will come. In question number 2, we are having 67, 78, 45 and 21. So we'll start with 78 because according to rule number 2, when we are having same number of digit, we'll compare the leftmost digit. From all these numbers, 7 is the greatest. So write 78 first, then 67, then 45 and at last we'll write 21. In third question, we are having 87, 81, 89 and 80. So according to rule number 3, if the leftmost digits are same, then we'll move to the right. So here leftmost digits are same, so we'll move to the right. So from these numbers, now 89 is the largest. So 89 will write first, then 87, then 81 and last 80.